Hi everyone, so today I'm going to review the app called Clapanimation. This can be used if you are having your students do a stop motion type of film. The one beauty of this is that it responds based on the clap of a hand. So if it's a two-person operation, one person can be setting up, and then as soon as they're ready, the other one can clap instead of having to come back and forth to the computer. And then you can also do it on your own. It allows you to be able to set and move and make the minor changes that you need that way. This app that I have right now is based in a Google Chrome format. However, you can download it on the App Store for Apple. This is one of my first times using it. I learned about it from one of our librarians within our district. She was doing it with my 6th graders. So before you get started, you have play animation. So once you have everything in there, you can play it. If you just want to take a picture manually, you can just put it right here. And then over here is where you enable the clap. So right now my clap is enabled. So I can create a new animation. So every time I clap, it's to take a picture. It'll add it down to the bottom, and then you can go through and you can play the animation as you see here. It's very easy and user-friendly. And I think this would be good for my kids. If you hear, like, I'm hitting my mouse on the table, and every time I hit it, it's registering that it's a clap and it's taking another picture. I haven't really played around with this too much, but I think this would be a great tool to work with kids on doing stop animation. I know that there's a lot of YouTube videos that you can look up for ideas on how to use clap animation, and I hope you guys enjoy this research.